painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone. I'm happy you're here. I'm going to talk real briefly because Rick's in the other room using his mutant ninja tools and sawing away. We are trimming out the second door to our studio, and I am grateful. I've been out of town for a couple of days and I have had major painting withdrawals, although I was very busy doing things with my girls, and I am also beyond grateful for that. Miss you, Taylor and Aubrey Grace. Let's talk about what we're doing here. We've got a 16 by 20 canvas. It's a gallery wrap canvas, and it's just the perfect size, guys. It can hang beautifully vertically, horizontally, so I'm really digging on this canvas. And I got some new paints in the mail while I was gone, so let's talk about those. Our base coat is going to be this yummy, oh gosh, I hope you can see this pearlescent, chocolate, caramelly, cocoa-y, groovy, beautiful color that we got going on right here. And that is, where the heck is it? Oh, this is the Arteza Pearl Deep Brown, and it is so pretty, guys. I'm really excited about it, and I'm really happy I got more than one tube of this. So that's that good base coat there. Now, our pouring medium today is strictly Floetrol with just a little bit of water, because I'm experimenting. I'm just kind of figuring out some stuff. So we've got about 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol and just a tiny little squirt of water to get it to the consistency that I am hoping for. It just leaves a little bit of a trace when it falls off that popsicle stick and hits that paint below. This color, oh, be still my heart. This is so yummy, and I can't wait to use the brown here with this copper color. This yummy color right there is Arteza Pearl Marmalade. Oh, but I added a few squirts of the golden iridescent copper, which is beyond yummy, guys. You guys need to send me some new words. Yummy, groovy, perfect, out of this world, whatever, but I need some new words. And this pretty color, oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this pour, guys. That is the Arteza Pearl Cactus Green, and I just got this in the mail, and I'm excited to give that a go. And this right here, one of my all-time favorites, guys. You can probably shout out what it is, but that is my Deco Art Dazzling Metallics Peacock Pearl. And I added a couple of squirts of my golden turquoise in there just to richen up that turquoise color to a really nice dark hue. So I'm gonna go ahead and get busy, prep my canvas, and then noodle over what the heck I'm gonna do. I think I'm going to do a traveling ring pour and then maybe a swipe. I don't know. Let's just see what happens here. I'm excited. Thanks for joining me, guys. Gonna put some good tunes on for you, some good tunes on for me, and we'll talk again real soon. Thanks, guys.
Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen, stay and let's figure out where to go and how about family, new history. Here I go, dreaming yours too. Girlfriend, just one look at you and I'm out of control. Well, I'm the luckiest of the lucky. Let me hold you close a while. We figure out where to go and how about one lighthouse just for us. Here I go, dreaming. You got me going wilder than wild. Girlfriend, there's nothing that can stop us. Oh, you got me winning my laughter mind. No, there's nothing that I can't do with you.
I still recall the first time I saw you. I was so nervous to talk. Happened so fast. Went from so lonely to falling asleep in your arms. I used to be afraid to fall in love. My past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Still got your smell wrapped in my bed sheets. Don't wanna wash it away. I know sometimes I get too caught up in all of the wrong things, but you're always there to guide me. I used to be afraid to fall in love. A past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, and numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. I used to be afraid until I met you. I was insecure, caught up in the pain, but you showed me how to heal. Took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't